Bro, what the heck do you mean? Okay, you know what? I'm not. What's up, guys? It's your boy Sasking YT here, back with another video. And today I'm playing another game. And today I'm playing GTA 5 with my friend Insane X Gaming. And so today we're gonna be customizing these bad boys, so these cars, and we're going to take them into Benny's Originals Motorsports that are right there. And so yeah, so let's just dive into it. So let this guy to do his intro. And if you guys want to know these cars' names, it's a Banshee.
It's Banshee, man.
Banshee, yeah.
I'm gonna start my video. Just shut up now.
Okay.
Yo, what? Wait. Yo, what's good, homies? It's your boy Insane back with another video. So today we are playing GTA, as you guys can see. This is obvious, right? So today we're gonna do something. Like we just bought these 3 cars, and we're gonna customize these cars. It's like so sick. Just wait for the thing, right? So now we're gonna do it. And I'm with my friend Azaz Gaming. You know what I mean? Let's do it. Yo, you can talk now. It's okay.
Okay, yeah. Look at me crunching my knuckles. Ready for this game? I don't know why I can't dance right now. For some reason.
We just bought these cars for 100k.
So guys, please tell us how our characters look as well.
Yeah.
These are drift cars, guys. So yeah.
I am just getting this.
Go in.
Bro.
I had a game lag right there.
Why would you do that? Why would you?
I had a game lag. Okay.
I have to pay for it now. Repair vehicle. I upgrade Vanny. Oh, it's 500.
Should we just go to somewhere else?
Why?
Oh yeah, okay, actually no. Oh, it was a Benny thing.
I'm getting that.
Banshee 900R. What is that for?
No, that's something else. Let's do it later.
Yeah. Okay, I have to spend a lot of money for this. Okay, yeah.
I don't like carbon things.
Oh yeah, I hate carbon things too. Sometimes carbon looks good, but not all the time. Oh yeah.
I like these.
No, I'm not gonna do explosives right now.
Explosive? No, I'm not playing first. And we don't need those.
Yeah. I like this.
This looks sick. Let's do that later.
I'm just gonna keep this.
I don't need that.
I hate the horn, so yeah.
If you guys like my money, I'll legit bought a vehicle cargo, so don't,
guys, if you guys look at my money, I only have 131k left. So guys, yeah, please like and subscribe so we can earn this money back. So,
Why should I color it? Ooh, this looks pretty good.
Well, I also like this. Okay, so let's do. Okay, so let's.
Whoa.
Black, nice. Oh, this actually looks
you know what? I'm gonna just do this.
I'm just gonna look at chrome first. Look.
It's 11k. Should I buy this one?
Oh my god, I can't do chrome.
Wow.
I can't do chrome.
No one can. We have to be at like 100 level. Yeah, I think.
No,
right?
yeah, I have to do more races. That's why.
Oh yeah.
Damn.
This looks pretty sick. No cap. Damn.
I'm clicking this color.
Should we get the Jordan symbols on?
And
I can't see those.
What? Oh, this looks nice to be honest. White, nice.
Roof. Whoa.
I'm gonna do this.
No, I don't like no. No,
I'm not doing that. Roof.
Whoa.
Which one should I do?
Yeah. Suspension.
Yeah, I'm just gonna do this. I don't know how this looks. Okay,
I don't have money. Oh, I do have money.
Okay.
Yo, okay. I just have 9k left. I think I can wheel color. Wait.
You need that. The full load suspension. You see that? You see the difference?
Oh my god.
I'm
gonna guess.
You gotta do that.
Cheap.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
Bro.
Okay. Damn. Yo.
Yeah, what?
Oh, I think so. I messed up.
What happened?
I only have $3,000 left.
Bro, I just had 9k.
Bro, I only have 3,000. I don't know what to do now.
Same.
I can't even customize
Yeah.
tires. Oh my god.
It's all good. It's all good. Yeah, I'm just.
Oh my god, I need 25k. I'm right out of money too fast. Okay, yeah. Oh, I'm done.
Yeah, I can do this.
All
Yep.
objectives complete. Reward $3,000. Okay, yeah, I can complete my objective. What?
Oh yeah, we can get 30k by objectives. Yo.
Oh yeah, I got my 30. I think I got my 30k. Oh, I got my 30k. Let's go.
You're lucky. You're lucky.
Whew.
I think. Yep, I can do this much only. Yeah, I get my 30k too.
I'm just gonna make my bulletproof tires. So yeah.
I got my 30k. Let's go.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, boy. Let's go, boy.
Whew.
I-
I only have 8k
Bro,
left.
we're actually lucky. No cap. We're actually
Yeah.
lucky today.
That
We're
was,
legit lucky.
that's luck. That's fully luck.
Yeah.
Okay, now I only have 8k
GTA.
left.
Let's light. I have.
On these.
What can do you have? Yeah.
On these
you have.
tires. Okay, you can get this. And then the color. Okay, how much is the red for? Okay, red's expensive, extra 45 to black. Okay, I'm done.
You're done.
Yeah, I'm done now. God, so
You said
stupid.
you listen. Yeah.
Oh no,
I
I
need
forgot to do one thing. I forgot to do one thing, so don't come out yet. I don't know how much
I
I have.
want.
I forgot that this was my daily objective. Alright, I'm just keep on going
Yeah,
inside
I'm
and
gonna
outside.
get this.
I need to go to
Inside out.
wheels, wheel,
We
wheel
color
tires, tires, no, tire smoke, red. Oh my god, I don't have enough money.
It's okay, man. It's okay. Don't cry.
I need 20k. You know, I'm gonna go to this location where you don't see me yet. Yo, you show your car first, right?
Nah, we're gonna shoot it together. Trust.
No, show your face and then I'll show mine.
Nah, I'm not doing that.
No, that's just unless that you do that.
No.
Why? Like why?
No.
Come on, many YouTubers do that, okay?
Not me.
Like I do it.
Like many YouTubers do it together. Trust, it's gonna be fun.
Okay.
I get your car right here.
I'm coming. Oh, you know where I am?
Oh yeah, I see you.
Where am I?
In front of me, man.
What am I doing?
Kinda lighter.
Okay, you copy. Let me just go get my car now.
You know, I can see you on the map.
Oh yeah, I know that.
So-
I could just gone ghost mode. You know that, right?
So dumb, man.
Well, I didn't.
I really feel bad for you.
Yo, you see me? I'm about to suicide.
Bro, get your car out, man.
I suicided.
You commit a suicide? I
Yeah.
feel bad.
Where am I?
Yo, my car actually looks sick. No cap.
Mine does. Don't go there. Don't go there, sir. I told you, no. Do not go there. If you go there, you're the dumbest person alive.
Don't go where? Oh!
Hello. This is what happened. What are those wheels? What are those wheels?
They look
Yeah,
good.
bulletproof tires.
No, please don't. Please. Actually, we have to do a drag race. You know that.
Yeah, I know.
So now we are about to do a drag race. So yeah, guys.
Yeah, we're gonna do a drag race. We park your car over here.
Yo, this car looks actually sick.
Yeah. Park it already.
Yo, my car looks actually sick. No cap.
I don't like those wheels. I hate those wheels, God.
Bro, those wheels look so sick. No cap.
No, they don't.
Yeah,
Guys,
they do.
comment down below.
Yeah,
Comment down
they-
below.
They actually do. Like, look at those.
Guys,
Man.
comment down below that which car is better.
I think mine.
You can for sure just show your car to me now.
I.
I'm going to do this and I'm going to do.
Yeah, look at my car, baby boy. Baby boy, yeah, baby boy.
Look at my car, boy.
Bro, you look bad. I'm about to say baby girl. I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't know why.
Just don't say that kind of stuff. You know?
I
I'm
don't
gonna turn
know
my
why.
engine on. I'm gonna turn on the lights off. Your lights on. Radio. Nah.
Xenon lights, boy.
Look at me, boy. Look at this car. Okay, I'm gonna shut my hood off. So yeah. Let's go to. I'm just gonna do. I'm just gonna do this.
Yo, look how my car looks sick. You can't lie.
Yeah.
Like the color combination is so
Bro,
good.
don't-
Even yours looks good. I was about to do that, but I'm like, no, I knew you're gonna do that. You know, because red is my favorite color too.
Look at this car.
Yeah, let me just do something. Restore.
I didn't want my hood to appear. It just kind of looks ugly with that. I only have my doors open and my back thing open. Okay.
Let's go to that thing, right?
Alright.
Yo, if you guys want us to like steal vehicles and sell them, comment down below and like the video, guys. We actually spent 100K on these cars, man. Like what? We spent like 200K. Yeah, let's meet up the
okay.
LSP. No, that
I just need to close all the doors.
LSAI, I think. Yeah.
LSI what?
I think it's LSAI.
LSPD?
Los Angeles Airport. No, man. That's
Oh,
the police department.
okay, the airlines.
I think it's LS. Yeah, it's LSIA. It's like Los Angeles International Airport. Yep.
Yeah, okay, so let's just go there.
I don't know. I really don't know. We're almost there, man. What do you mean?
Oh yeah.
I mean, me, not you.
I mean, well,
The
yeah.
slow car.
Excuse me. I think so. I probably have a way faster car than you.
Oh, because you know, just started. I used to play my Xbox, and I deleted the game on my Xbox. I don't know how my account got deleted, so I have to start it from again.
Well, I guess my account got banned for some reason.
Yeah, this guy
So-
was hacking with some hacker.
Yeah, that's what happened.
Can you open this? Why don't they open this, bro? Look at our cars. This
Oh, for
it's
first
more
place, it
than your
looks super
family can
ugly.
afford.
No. Okay, kind of scratched my car, but like it's fine.
What? Thank you.
I'm just gonna like repair it right now. How much?
Wait, why don't they open?
Okay, only
man?
2,000. Okay, I'm like the literally like the most like
You need to help me out.
Cool
You
car.
need to help me out. You
Huh?
need to help me out.
how
Oh my
I
god.
don't want any
I'm
scratches
putting
on my
another
car.
You just need to open a thing for me, man. I don't know what is always happening.
Just get out of the car and open it. So stupid.
I can't,
Why you can't?
dummy.
Look, why?
I don't know why. I have to get another. I have to steal another car. There was a corpse right there. Yeah, gonna get me. Lester, help.
What is the last thing I do for you?
No, Lester needs to help.
He's not doing anything. Well, guess what? My suspension is just going to die at this point.
Thank you. He got me out of car. Yeah.
Why don't you just go from here?
I thought it's what? How do I have cops again? Yeah, I need to die. Kill me, cops. I love you. Give me a hug, bro.
So you guys literally over there and he's like
I
right
feel
over here.
so bad now. They killed me. Like, yo. Oh, I'm in the airport.
Wow. Okay, open the door for me now.
Come here. I'm open with my. I am open with my body. I got it.
Okay, oh, that you opened that door?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you opened the other one.
Bro.
Open both doors so that I can get in. Yeah. Okay. Keep it like that.
Really?
Okay, now bring your car. I'm gonna open. Yo, just keep it over there. Okay? I'm just gonna open that door. So just wait over there. When you don't have a hanger, then you face these kind of problems. Come.
Let's go. Thanks, yo. I respect that. Respect them, man. Respect that.
Look, look well, at least we didn't have to, like, you know, do anything to our cars.
At least, like,
Woo.
where should we start from?
Like a little ahead, like right here.
No. Come, follow me.
Where?
Right here.
Here.
Do you see the last 9?
Yeah.
This one.
Okay, yeah. You let me throw the grenade.
Right.
I didn't even have one. Why did it break it? What the heck? Oh, I do have one. 3, 2,
Just-
1.
I don't have turbo though. Bro, you have a turbo, right?
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
I think you got a head start on the way. You do have a turbo thing.
I don't. I didn't have money for that. I didn't even have money for that.
I don't know, how did you win then? The prize. Because yes, I think
Oh, the
your
engine.
tires?
I have a faster engine. than
yeah, I have do you have a level 2 engine?
you. No, I have a level 3.
That's why I couldn't like get it because you know I'm level 35, so guys, I have to, you know. It's probably his win, you know what I mean, brothers? From another mothers.
Yo.
Yeah. You
I
wanna do
want-
another one?
Huh?
Another one?
Yeah, sure. Let's go.
Like in the next video, I think we're gonna steal vehicles and sell them.
Yeah, we can
Yeah.
do that. And yeah.
Like my warehouse thing, you know what I mean, brother? Come here.
Okay.
Give me a little head start.
Yeah. Okay, you know, I'll just stay over here.
Yeah.
Okay, I got a little bit of my back. Okay. Now throw it.
3, 2, 1, go.
No, grenade.
Just throw it, man.
I
I don't wanna break my window.
the best. Where's the grenade? Okay, right there.
Bro!
3, 2, 1.
You're still gonna win. Yep, because you have a better engine.
I'm not even like. I'm just like keep on like. Okay, yeah. I will just keep on. I was not even pressing my thing. Oh shit!
Yo, you still what? Let's go!
At the last second, I won. Let's go.
Oh
bro,
my
I
god.
broke my
Oh my god. Oh my god.
At the last
Yo.
second.
Now let's see some jets from here and dip.
Huh?
Let's get a jet, right? Aeroplane. Bro!
What happened?
My tire popped.
How?
I know. You did it.
It actually popped. I only shot one bullet.
Bro, stop. Bro! Whoa. Actually, stop.
Okay.
Actually, man, stop. I'm serious.
What are you doing? You can't fly this plane.
We can't?
No, you can't. You're so stupid.
How? I used to do it in the GTA.
Well, that's only in offline.
Oh my god. Which one can you fly then? The small ones?
Yeah.
Let's get the small ones.
Alright, let's go.
Can you do me a favor? You... Get me a car.
Nah.
Bro, actually, get me in your car, man.
No, get your own car. Bro, what the heck do you mean? Okay, you know what? I'm quitting this video. I'm quitting.
A few moments later.
Come on.
Go. Bro, Angel 3, man, like, whoa. Yeah. I am about to be on my back. Give me a sec.
Right.
Yo, Azad.
Yeah.
Yo, I have to go now.
Just make her finish this video. Come on.
Bro,
There's
I have to
one more
go.
drag race. Come on.
Bro, I know you're gonna win, so let's get in the jets.
Oh yeah, let's get in the jets. The helicopters or the jets?
Jets, man.
Oh, there's a chopper. That's my jet, just thing.
There's a... Yep, peace.
Okay, come on, just jets. Come on.
Nah, man, I'm getting easy.
Come on, man, actually. I just put proximity mines over there.
Bye,
Okay?
bye, bye, bye,
Man,
bye,
come
bye.
on, please. There's another jet over here. Come, let's go.
I can't. Bye. Peace out.
Guys, this guy just dumb, so that's why he left, guys. So I'm just going to fly this plane over around here. Okay, I'm dead. So guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. My next video is gonna be the cargo thing or the challenge where I can't break any laws, and I just go my controller. So that's what's happening. If you guys don't know, I'm playing on controller. So yes, sir. And so guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on the notification bell so you guys don't miss out on an upload. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm speaking too fast, so I don't know how to do. Okay, guys, I'm gonna just see you guys in the next video.